Vamos a ver, vamos a ver, campana. Vale, este me parece
Bigby
majo.
Wolf? What happened to you?
I'm looking for a piece of the magic mirror.
What?
The magic mirror's missing shard. Where is it?
Eso, co.
Bloody Mary brought it here, didn't she?
What? Bloody Mary? Magic mirror shard? What kind of place do you think this is?
Don't bullshit me.
I'm not. What you're looking for, I think you'd be better off looking at the Lucky Pond. Yeah, or someplace like that. You know where it is, right?
Hola,
You need to
carajo.
listen to me. I know Bloody Mary hangs around here, so you need to start fucking cooperating right now.
I am.
Because you know Jersey, you know Jersey, right?
Yeah, he runs the pawn shop.
Yeah, that's right. He wasn't very cooperative when I went there. And that turned out to be a big fucking problem for him.
Pues,
I'm cooperating. I swear.
pero ¿por qué todos mienten, amigos?
Anyway, if I'd have known you already looked at the Lucky Pawn, I wouldn't have pointed you there. I just figured anything worth a damn in Fabletown goes through Jersey's hands at some point. You know that. Believe me, I don't want to waste your time, Sheriff. And I certainly don't mean to offend.
Where's the magic mirror shard? Quit fucking around and tell me.
I'm not. I am not fucking around.
If you're lying to me, I'm gonna find out.
Vamos a ver.
Listen, Crane had the mirror. Mary had Crane. And she comes around here, right? If you're covering for her, I'm gonna have a problem with you. So you better think real hard about what you say next.
Claro.
Sheriff, Did you hear that?
What?
Oh, I'm real sorry. Hold on. I just gotta go check on that. Don't go anywhere. I'll be right back.
Butcher?
I just have to go see.
Que no, que este se va a escapar.
Bet that's what Beast was talking about. That logo looks familiar. I've seen this before. At Antique Greenleaf's.
Vale. Vale. Vamos a entrar. Un botón.
Shit.
Oh. Oh, there.
I got it covered back here, Sheriff. I'll be right out. Just wait out front. I'll be right there. I got a bit of a mess back here.
No dijo nada por si no
Can
oye.
you come back tomorrow, man? I'm sorry, Sheriff, but you're not supposed to be back here.
¿Dónde
For
cojones
safety
están?
purposes. Come on, damn it.
Oh, no, amigos, ¿dónde están?
Oh, you gotta be kidding me. They're gonna kill me. Oh God, she is gonna fucking kill me.
Ahí está.
He's gonna get me killed. Huh?
How you doing?
Please, Bigby. Please don't.
Bigby? What happened to Sheriff?
Please don't kill me, Sheriff. I don't want to die.
Golpearlo.
Please don't kill me.
Shut the fuck up!
Apretar.
Oh, You're a monster. A fucking monster.
Pues
Why are
vale.
you doing this? I'm not part of their crew. Fuck. The Crooked Man's people. Jersey Devil, D and Dumb, and that mental case Bloody Mary. You want to talk about the real butcher? It's her, not me. This is her place. I'm telling you, they muscled in on me. Took over my storage and delivery a long time ago. All cause of that heat wave. That summer was even hotter than this one. Oh, I let Mary and those porkers stay cool in the meat locker one day, playing cards, having a great time. I guess they were sizing the place up. Shows what I get for being nice. I'm just a victim in this. I don't know what they do back there. I
Eres un
swear.
You
mentiroso.
lied to me in the front. Why the fuck should I believe you now?
Because it's the truth. I knew this would happen. Didn't know when.
Shh.
No. Pues nada, la abrimos. Vamos a pulsar botones ahora. Guardando. Hostia, este es el laboratorio de química. ¿Qué es esto? Joder, amigos. Madre
What
mía.
is this place?
I told you, Bigby. I don't know. They muscled me out. I swear, I don't know anything more. I haven't been back here when it was
Creo
like
que ahora
this.
está diciendo la verdad, no sé, digo yo.
Warning lights.
This business. It's all I've ever had.
Damn it, you can't act like you're forced into this and then turn around and help them. You'd still be here if you hadn't flipped that switch out there.
I had to. Huh. You
Oh,
come
no.
in here making trouble for me. But you only give a shit now because the Crooked Man stepped on your toes or something. Where were you when they took this place from me? It hasn't been easy for me. You think I want to live with this at my back?
All right, Johan, do me a favor. Just shut the fuck up and stay out of the way. Can you manage that?
Glamour.
So this is what Beast was delivering. Glamours, other kinds of magic. Would be dangerous stuff.
Maybe just don't touch anything back here, please?
Didn't I tell you to sit down and shut up?
Claro. Vamos a ver.
Chains. Who's getting chained up here?
You can't think I'm the only one the Crooked Man has under his yoke.
Otro, amigos.
Is this what those loans get you? That crooked piece of shit. Ribbons, chains, it's all the fucking same.
Pues sí, la verdad, ¿eh? Vamos a ver esto.
What are they making here?
I'm just a butcher. You want to talk T-bones? That I can do. This stuff is out of my league.
There are a lot of nasty spells you can make with the right equipment.
Pero vamos a ir ahí aquí. Carros.
These are raw materials for making magic. Anti-greenleaf and any other rogue witches out there probably get their supplies here.
¿Puedo subir? No, no puedo.
Bad they had time to erase it all. This could have been useful.
Pues sí, ¿eh? Oh, hemos visto algo. Vale.
That symbol. It's on all the packages. What is it?
That's the Crooked Man's, brand. It's on everything that goes in and out of here.
So you do know something, huh? Is that a wheel or what?
Guess they never used that thing on wolves, huh?
What's that supposed to mean?
It's from back in the homelands. A torture device. It came over here with the rest of our stories. Not that Mondays need any help coming up with that kind of thing. It makes people crooked. Like breaking their bones and... Do I really need to explain this?
Sí, pues sí. Tienes que explicármelo.
What the hell is that?
Hostia.
I know this isn't your coat. What's it doing here?
It's a coat. What's the big deal about some dirty...
Looks like Crane's seen some abuse. I'm sure he handled it just fine.
No sé, no estoy seguro. Bolsillo, a ver.
No time for traveler's checks, huh?
Tomar
You
dinero.
won't be needing this anymore.
Qué cabrón soy.
That sick piece of...
Joder.
The shard. It's the shard.
Hostia, bien. Sí, 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 sí.
Hey,
Ajá.
hold on! I told you what I knew. And look what you did to me. You're just as fucked up as they are. You really still are the big bad wolf. Is this what you do? You just go around ruining Fable's lives?
Sometimes there's only one way to do this job. Creative destruction.
Qué cabrón soy, amigos.
What the hell am I supposed to do now? I'm gonna have to spend the rest of my short life looking over my shoulder for Bloody Mary.
You won't have to worry, Johan. I'm gonna take him down.
Soy un cabrón. Vamos allá. Ja. Cerrado. Cargando.